Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make iced chai tea latte. Start by steeping 2 chai bags in 1 cup hot water for 8 minutes, then dissolve sweetener to taste while hot. Cool the concentrate quickly with ice or refrigerate until chilled. Fill a glass with ice, pour 1 cup milk over ice, add the chilled chai concentrate, stir gently, and finish with a dusting of cinnamon or nutmeg. Want the perfect balance between spice and sweetness? I recommend dissolving sweetener into the hot chai so it blends evenly when chilled. For creamy texture, use whole milk or a barista-style oat milk for thicker mouthfeel. If you prefer lighter drinks, almond milk works well but expect less creaminess. Try 2 tablespoons of syrup for a mildly sweet latte and adjust from there to suit your taste. To speed things up, cool your chai concentrate in an ice bath or pour it into a shallow container so it chills faster. For a frothier drink, shake chilled concentrate with ice in a cocktail shaker and strain over fresh ice. Batch making saves time. Store concentrate in the fridge for up to 3 days and simply combine 1 part concentrate with 1 part milk when ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.